Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is a quick video, another way of making your kids to eat fruits. So today I'm going to be making popsicle with fruits, and I'm going to be using mango and strawberry. So I'm going to cut the mangoes and have them blended, and I'm going to be adding a cup of almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm going to be using almond milk, and I'm going to blend everything together, the strawberry, the mango, and the milk together. So now that it has finished blending, I'm going to be pouring it in the cup of the popsicle. If you have kids that are picky in eating fruits, this is the best way to have them to eat the fruit, as long as you don't let them see what you are making. So now I'm going to cover the cups and I will freeze them overnight. It doesn't have to be overnight anyway, just freeze them as long as you can. And this is the popsicle that is made with mango fruits and strawberry. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you are new to this channel, do not hesitate to like, share and subscribe. For those of my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate every one of you. Thank you and God bless. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.